Welcome to Cooking with Hilda. Today I am very excited because we are going to make together a delicious, homemade, authentic chicken tortilla soup that I know you will love. So let's make it. When you want to make things easier, grab a rotisserie chicken and shred it perfectly. But you can always go the better way and cook your own chicken breast and save the chicken broth to use for this soup. Now we perfectly shred the chicken and we start with this dry chiles combination. This is the more popular chiles combination for this kind of soup, but always keep in mind that you can adjust this dry chile combination to your own taste. We leave the dry chiles rest in hot water for around 20 minutes, and this process is going to help us when we are cleaning and deseeding our dry chiles. While the chiles are in hot water, we wash tomatoes, we prepare garlic, and chop an onion. And we're going to blend everything, the dry chiles that are soft by now, and the tomatoes, garlic, onion, and we blend this with water, or even better with chicken broth, homemade chicken broth. Perfect. We add salt. We can add some herbs like Mexican oregano, and we blend everything and warm it on medium heat with some olive oil or butter, and we add the chicken, the shredded chicken, so the chicken can be infused and be combined with all those flavors of the soup, and let them cook for around 15 to 20 minutes on medium heat. And while this is warming and cooking and blending all this delicious flavor, we prepare the tortilla, and we cut the tortilla in strips. And what I like to do is bake this tortilla in a preheated oven of 350 degrees and flip them in the half of the time. But always remember that you can always fry the tortilla if that's your preference. You can fry the tortilla. You see how easy it is? And now we serve it on a bowl, of course. And we set some of the tortilla in the middle and we top it with soup. And we garnish it or decorate it, whatever you prefer to call it, with some cilantro, chopped onion. Don't forget the avocado. And if you have cotija cheese, sprinkle a little bit of that on top. Delicious, so yummy. And enjoy your chicken, authentic chicken tortilla soup. So thank you guys for being one more time here with me in Cooking with Hilda, and I hope you enjoyed this delicious chicken tortilla soup. But if you did, please give me a thumbs up. See you guys next time.